Alright YouTube, this is FTAG's review of the Lancer Tactical Mark 18. Now let's begin. When you first get your Lancer Tactical Mark 18, this is the box that it comes in. Sorry people, I'm too much of a lazy schmuck to find that instruction manual, so you'll have to leave for now. Anyway, on to the gun statistics. It shoots 350 FPS, probably shoots, I'd say around 100 feet. Its body is constructed of ABS plastic, as you can see here. Even though it's ABS plastic and it's made of plastic, it's still a high quality plastic. It's not like gonna break on you easily. Anyway, on to other parts of the gun. The stuff that comes with the gun. Like I said, I'm a lazy schmuck, so I wasn't able to quite find cleaning rod or anything like that, so here's what I could find for it. Comes with the vertical foregrip, as you can see here. Comes with 2 rail covers for the side rails, a rear sight which has 2 options. You can either choose the night one or the day one. Features of said gun: quad rail. Mount anything and everything on the side of this rail. Vertical foregrip, and my trusty red dot sight. You also got a Picatinny rail on the upper receiver, which can mount optics such as this Matrix Tactical Systems red dot sight. You also have a lower receiver with Lancer Tactical engraved into the lower receiver. Shows the quality of work that's put into it instead of it just being a sticker on it. You got a non-functioning bolt catch right there. You got your selector switch, which can go from it being on safe to semi. Sorry folks. Full auto. You also have your magazine release, and you also have the bolt in the upper receiver which houses the hop-up unit, which can be accessed by pulling on the charging handle back here. Watch as I demonstrate. As you can see, now it's opened, and when you pull it back all the way on the charging handle, you could see that you can adjust the gears in there. It's hard to open all the way because I'm holding a cell phone camera, but you get the gist of it. You also have the Magpul crane stock, which houses your 8.4 volt battery. So I decided to try to breach and clear a building when I was in an Airsoft game, and this battery decides to wuss out on me, just as I was about to clear the building.
Damn it, malfunction. My battery's out.
Opinions on said Airsoft gun. I think it's great for the budget-minded, as it only costed me $90 when I purchased it off of eBay. There are other reputable sellers, such as Airsoft GI or E-Vike, that you could purchase this gun from. I'd say it's served its purpose really well, but there are other things that I want that are better than this. But I'll keep using it until I get a better one, and it's going to serve me well. Anyway, this is JDub from FTAG, and y'all have a good one.